So let's call on first our male star of the night. Congratulations! Male star of the night is Christian Martinez!
And now on to our female star of the night.
People's Sexiest of the Year recognizes personality, rebodies confidence, charisma, ability, captivating the people with beauty, dresses, and the power to inspire and admiration.
Those in the People's Sexiest of 2025, talking honest, those anything that goes to third place male, Christian Martinez.
And Burlesque.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, una sa lahat, thank you so much, VP Choice Awards, for this recognition. And for me, this award is not just the physical appearance, but it's all about discipline. And I just want to share to you guys na despite all of the grind and all of the night na nag-workout tayo, actually, um, Um, thank you so much po for this wonderful award lang. Thank you.